dope.
You ready, Kim?
Yeah.
Go.
You want us to push you? Whoa!
Is it my turn?
Yeah, True. You ready to go, bud?
She's not breaking at all.
You can go, True. You want to go?
Keep your legs together.
Will you do me a favor?
I go?
Will you record me going down and then...
Then I'll bring your camera down.
Yeah, is that
Keep
all
your
right?
legs together.
Can I go?
I got a lawyer close to me, so I can't steal it.
Tom, you look.
All right, Tom. Go.
Holy cow.
Zoom, shakalaka!
Don't let me use any of my energy screaming.
That's a rock.
Oh,
Is that a
snap,
rock
there's
right
a
there?
rock right in the middle of the
Oh, my
pathway.
Wait a second, I got to get you here.
Get the rock.
Back on now, he's off.
Oh, man.
Butt's already wet.
Oh.
Okay, tell me when.
Hey, that's that much less walking to do.
And he's
What
off.
is he doing?
Holy cow.
Watch out for the rock.
Ah!
I think we're too old for this.
Oh, yeah, he's not making...
Get the rock out of the way!
Oh.
Jump!
You're insane. Oh, my gosh. Come on, Kim.
You can't even breathe. It's terrible. That water's so cold. I feel like...
You guys did it.
Why would it be bright?
Dad, I didn't mean to.
Tyler, you might as well go now.
How do you feel, Steven?
Horrible.
How do you feel, Kim?
You got hot.
That was great.
Isn't that worth it? My
Okay, it's going. Here goes Steven.
Go, baby, go! He got air! He got air!
Good to see Dad.
The further I go, the shorter I have to walk.
He's still going.
So how are you going down?
I'm waiting for my grandson.
No, but how are you going down?
Same way?
Oh, yeah.